What are CSS priority levels? Well, in case if we apply different styles, like inline style, or internal style, and external CSS style on same HTML element, always the highest priority of use will have inline CSS style. So inline CSS style always be applied first, then internal CSS style. So in case if we have internal and external CSS style on same HTML element, internal CSS will be applied first. And the lowest priority of use has external CSS style. What is the best practice to use CSS in your projects? Well, the best practice to use CSS in your HTML pages is from external CSS files. In website development or in web development in general, there is something that is known like separation of concerns. That is design principle that says that we should separate different functionalities in separate files. So what actually this means? So when we build our website, we should separate HTML documents that will represent structure or basic skeleton of our web pages. Then we should separate CSS files that should apply styles on our HTML pages. And once when we start working on some advanced features like data processing or anything like that, we should create separate JavaScript files with JavaScript functions that we will use for our HTML documents to do data processing or anything like that. So the best practice is to organize your website like this. So you should create separate CSS files for your CSS styles. Only in cases if you need to apply just single style or some HTML element, you should use inline or internal CSS in that cases.
Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate over PayPal. Please remember, even a little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.